What is your favorite pet that you have in real life? And what is your favorite game on Roblox other than Adopt Me? Let me go show you what's my favorite pet that I have in real life. Down over here in my basement, I have my pet displays of all my pets that I have in real life. We got the Safari, who has unfortunately passed away. Don't be sad though, I've been having her for like 19 years. I know that she's still in my heart. And then we got the Panther here. So cute. I love you, Panther. Meow. Panther's here. And then we got the Chila here. Fluffy girl Chila. Say hello. Meow. And then there's my other pet. And over here we got Shakira. Sorry guys, she loves to give big kisses.